Hey, y'all feel that? It's fall, and what better way to enjoy the cooler weather than by adding sweet potatoes to our meals? I've got a fun twist on a breakfast classic that uses this tasty Louisiana favorite, sweet potato pancakes. We're mixing in warm fall spices and topping them off with another Louisiana favorite, pecans. These pancakes aren't just delicious, they're also packed with nutrients that are great for moms-to-be and nursing moms and their babies. Sweet potatoes, with their bright orange color, are loaded with antioxidants that help keep us healthy. They have beta-carotene, which our bodies turn into vitamin A. That's super important for babies' growth and development. They also contain fiber, which helps with digestion, and vitamin C to keep our immune system strong. So, let's get started. In a medium bowl, start with a cup of complete pancake mix. Then add pumpkin pie spice, vanilla extract, and packed brown sugar. Next, stir in a half cup of mashed sweet potatoes. You can use fresh, baked, or canned, whatever you've got. I'm using canned sweet potatoes that I've drained and mashed with a fork. After that, pour in the milk and mix it all up. Stir until most of the big lumps are gone, but don't overdo it. Over mixing can make the pancakes tough. And who likes tough pancakes? Nobody. Now, spray a pan with non-stick cooking spray and heat it over medium heat. Give it a few minutes to let it warm up evenly. Use about 1/4 of the batter for each pancake. An ice cream scoop works great for this. Make sure to space them out so the batter doesn't run together. Let them cook, and when you see bubbles forming around the edges and in the middle, they're ready to flip. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. But before you do, sprinkle some chopped pecans on top for a little protein and healthy fats. Now it's time to flip. Cook until the bottoms are golden brown. All right, our sweet potato pancakes are nice and warm. If you like, drizzle with a little honey or syrup. Pair this with a side of apples or bananas for a great serving of fruit. Add a glass of cold, low-fat or plant-based milk for a boost of calcium. Simple, cozy, and nutritious sweet potato pancakes. They're a great breakfast for moms-to-be, nursing moms, and their babies because they have so many nutrients for healthy development. You can store leftover pancakes in the fridge for 3 to 7 days, or you can freeze them for up to 3 months. To freeze them, let them cool completely, lay them on a baking sheet, and freeze for 1 to 2 hours. Then, place them in a freezer bag and label with the date. In the mornings, when you're on the go, just pop them in the microwave for about 30 to 45 seconds to reheat. That way, you'll have a quick and healthy breakfast ready whenever you need them. You can find the full recipe at lsuagcenter.com/buildahealthymeal or in the description box below. And don't forget, follow us on Pinterest and Instagram for more delicious healthy meal ideas. So come on, let's build a healthy meal.